Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Joseph Badu. Joseph has been trading with AudaCity Capital from the 21st of January 2021 up until this present day of the 7th of May 2021. Joseph has had a gain of 23.22% with an absolute gain of 9.34% and a daily turnover of 0.18%. At the present, Joseph is managing 60,000 US dollars and he's been trading prior to this review. That's why he's in profit, just over profit of $1,000 and 101. Looking at Joseph's trades, we can see the advanced statistics. He's had a total of 162 trades. And out of 162 trades, Joseph has won 148 out of 162, which represents a 91% gain. And he's lost 14 out of 162, which represents 9%. So Joseph is a very effective trader with an excellent risk to reward money management technique. And this is a reflection of what he's traded. So let's have a look at the total amount of pips gained, which is 1,253.80, which is very good. He's won 88% of his short positions and 94% of his long positions. So basically, he's more effective on the long side and short side of the market. What pairs did Joseph trade to help him get to this level? Looking at the statistics, we can see Joseph has been very effective. I see a lot of greens here, which is very good. But let's look at the pairs that's made him the most pips, and that is down to the New Zealand dollar US dollar, the pound US dollar, the pound Japanese yen, and the CAD Canadian dollar US Japanese yen. And you can see he's more effective on the short side compared to also on the long side. So the biggest trade on the short side, as we can see, is a Euro Canadian dollar at $659.41. But obviously, with the big deficit on the other side, this just brought us to an average of minus 348.21. Never mind the fact that Joseph has maintained this account consistently, preserved the balance, and here we're seeing profit. Looking at a few of his trades right now, we can see he's actually running some trades in a deficit. But let's look at the most important thing, the key at monthly analytics and the growth. In January, he made 6.03%, February 3.77%, March down by minus 2.33%, April 10.81%, and May he's maintaining 3.848%. Looking at a few of his trades now, we can see the pairs he's traded, but the only key thing I don't like and I keep on pointing out is traders trading without a stop loss. It's very important to always trade with a stop loss, but at the same time as well, we can see this trader's probably scalping the market. As you can see, on average 12.5 pips to about 8 pips, but we can see the volume, small consistent gains over time. And this is what trading is about, small consistent pips to build you up to get to the goal. And as we can see, he's getting his pips in and out. It's all about the pips and the monetary value we put on the pips. So let's look at another page as well. We can see the consistency, 6.2, 6.2, 5.4, 23.2, 22.5, 29.9, 1 pip. You see the money flows in. It's just consistency. But I do recommend traders use a stop loss, even though you're scalping the market. Like you can see, Joseph has been a bit braver now, holding more positions for slightly a bit longer time, like 4 hours, 4.5 hours, 5 hours. And we can definitely see the consistency here. And we can see the pips, 60 pips at one point, 18 pips, 51 pips. And these are very good trades to get. So on average, Joseph is maintaining 25 to 80 pips. And small consistent gains will always bring us into fruition and profit. So I can't really say a lot about this account as he's done very well maintaining the drawdown always on a positive territory. What I would recommend going forward is that always manage risk appropriately, which is what the trader does anyway, having a strong percentage gain of 91% is to 9%, which is very good. So I can't really say a lot because winning 91% of your trades and losing 9% is definitely a very key game maker here. So I definitely challenge Joseph to go on to the next two levels, 120,000, 240,000, and 480,000. When you reach to 240,000, I'll personally reach out to you and have a conversation with you and try and help you and add a few more tips and a few advanced techniques. If possibly, I'll probably have a session with you to help you enhance this journey. Congratulations on your achievement, and I look forward to reviewing this account very soon.